lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's just Olivia Lewis, and today we are going to do some unboxing. So, as I told you guys before, I'm really trying to make my videos really short because I recognize that I've been doing like long ass videos and nobody got time for that. So I'm just gonna do like a really quick, hopefully 10-minute video. Okay, so the things that we're gonna unbox, a matter of fact, before we start that, can you just click the subscribe button, subscribe so Olivia can do more videos for you. All right, so before we do that, I'm gonna just try and decide which one I want to do first. Okay, all right, let me do this one because this one's more popular. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna unbox today is this little Home Deco cinema light box. And for like years now, I think people have been like using this for that, like your YouTube channel or whatever. They'll probably put it like behind here, which is what I'm gonna try and do. Not sure if I'm gonna succeed. I'm gonna hope I'm gonna succeed, but I'm gonna unbox this little thing. So for anyone in Canada, you can find this at your local Dollarama, and anybody elsewhere, let me just put it up close so you guys can just look for it on Amazon. So this was, I believe, $5. Very cheap, nothing too expensive, right? All right, so let's just look at the box. And so it says it comes with 85 letters. If you can see right here, it includes 85 letters, numbers, and symbols. And you can, I guess, you can literally just make what you want on the thing. It says something, it says like it's a cinema light box, but I know that they have others that just come with the letters, and you just put the letters in the slots, but not necessarily have it light up in the background. Hopefully this one is one of them that will light up in the background. So let's just open it. Ooh, child. Oh, it's a good thing I have a knife, scissors here. Let me just cut that. Ooh. So people should not give me scissors or knives. They continue to do so. All right. So you just kind of open the top like that. I'm just gonna try and shake it out. All right, so there's nothing else in the box. And it looks pretty simple, actually. Thought it would be a little bit more. Oh, I think you have to put batteries in it. Okay, I guess I'll get to that later. So it comes like this, and I'm guessing, let me put this on. I'm guessing you just kind of put like what you want right here. And then these are the symbols and the letters that come with it, and they're clear. 1 second. I'm gonna try. I wonder what I should make it say. Ooh. Okay, so they're not stickies. They're literally almost, they feel like laminated, like laminated letters, but like nothing in between. It's like almost like just a laminated sheet. That's what it feels like. Yeah. All right, so I think I am going to probably just write, okay, which way is the way up? So this is the way up. So I think I'm gonna write, what do you guys think? I'll write just Olivia Lewis. I don't think that can fit, just Olivia Lewis, probably, yeah. I'm gonna try and make it look better, but practically what you're doing is just sliding the letter in, right? Like that. And then you have to use the batteries to go around the back, right? So I'm just gonna come back when I put the batteries in and I put them in, and we'll see how it works. Okay guys, I'm back. So all I did was just try and set it up so I can explain it to you guys properly. Okay, so what I used, well, what Sky helped me to do was screw the back of the thing off, and it's kind of delicate right here. I don't know if you can see it right here. There's just one little screw that you're gonna need, and if you don't have like the screwdriver, you can just probably use a small knife or something. And then you're gonna need some AA batteries, 4 of them. So you just put those in, and I'm just gonna screw the screwdriver back in, if I can do so without them all falling out. Okay, right. Then if there's like a switch at the side, and you just turn it on and off, right? And that's how it looks. Pretty simple. I think it's cute. I'm not sure where I'll put it, but I guess I'll find some place for it. Now, is it worth it? Yes, I think it is, because it's cheap, it's cute, makes your videos look nice, and it's simple, not expensive. I see other people who have like the wires that go across and across, and I know that probably like costs a pretty penny, but I'm all for saving money, so that's a no for me. Okay, well, just straight into the other item that I want to unbox for you guys. Now, everybody has AirPods, and I have an iPhone too, so I want an AirPod, but I don't want an AirPod because it's expensive. You can lose them like easily, and it's expensive, just period, right? And so for my iPhone, I got like the earphones, but like just the normal ones that you plug in. And it's so ridiculous because two reasons. One, it only has one plug-in. So what if I want to charge my phone and like plug it in? Yeah, you can get those little adapters. Someone did give me one of those adapters that you can put on two sides. But it's just, what if I forget it? Like, you know, I have to charge my phone or listen to music, right? And then the other thing is that you literally lose these things so quickly. And I lost Sky's little earphone, so I had to give him mine for my new phone. So I'm like, you know what, I'm not gonna buy an earphone, I'm just gonna freaking purchase a cheap one. So I went to, it's called Giant Tiger. And anyone in Canada, you're probably like, yeah, Giant Tiger, yeah, we know where she's from. So it's from Giant Tiger, and this is how it looks. Well, this is how it looks in the box. It's called Soar Tech Elevated, and it's supposed to be like a knockoff AirPod, but not really AirPods, but just like a wireless AirPods, right? AirPods. Okay, so I picked the pink one, and it's supposed to work with your Bluetooth. And in the box, it comes with the charging case, which is the pink case that you see here, a micro USB input, which is to like charge the case, and the LED indicator, which I think that's the light, I believe, right here. And then the charging buttons, which is right here. And then you have the touch controls and the pairing indicator, right? So it should come with everything that you see on the box. Okay, so to open it, you just kind of just like zoom. It's like a fold-in thing, and you just open it like that, right? And then here they just tell you again like what it has, and here it just says it has a 30 feet range. So I'm guessing they're saying like if your phone is like 30 feet from you, you can still like transmit a signal or whatever. So, oh, and they say it's supposed to have like a secure comfort fit, and it's like lightning charging, so it's not gonna take like a long ass time. Okay, so it comes out of the box. I'm gonna keep this because it looks cute, and of course more tape. Yeah. Okay, so I think by taking it out of the box, I think I started the sensor, which is why it's lighting up blue and red. I'm not sure if you can see that. You can see the blue light up right there, and the red. I think by taking it out of the box, I actually started like a sensor thing. Wait, before we destroy these, we don't read instructions here. I'm joking. All right. Let me see. Okay, so the fit doesn't feel bad, but it looks horrible. It's kind of chunky. Like in my ears, feels comfortable. And I'm just gonna try them out and see if they work and tell you. Wait, another thing though before I do that is, as usual, it doesn't come with the base. It just comes with a USB, which I hate, but whatever. And I guess this is where you plug in the little thing. Wait, let me see if it can go in actually. You know, these cheap ass products. This was $20, I believe. $19.99. So I don't have much hope for it, but hopefully if I treat it properly, it will also treat me properly. You know what? I can't get it in. Ain't that funny? Okay, I think that's fine. Yeah, that's it. Okay, well now I can't get it out. Okay, there. So I'm gonna come back and tell you if it worked. Okay, so what I did was just go for my old phone, and I'm just gonna see if it's gonna pair with it. Yeah. I just know that I'm gonna break this. I just know, but I'm gonna really try not to. Okay, so it says it works with Bluetooth, so I'm just gonna go down, and my Bluetooth is already on, and so is my Wi-Fi. So I'm just gonna test it. Like, do I?
How do you do this? So I'm just going in the Bluetooth section to see if I can get these connected. I think this is the prime audio. So I'm going to click that and see if I hear anything beeping. Okay, so it just beeped. So I'm guessing it's good. It turned down my volume automatically, and I'm going to see. I'm going to turn it up because it sounds really low right now.
Sounds good. Let me try a song with more bass or something. Yeah, so the bass on this is horrible, but at least it's, you can use it. I don't know. But was it worth it? I think so. Like, if you don't want to like spend a lot of money on AirPods and you already have like an earphone, I think you can use this. So my total purchase was like what, $5, and then this was $20, so $25 in all. I don't think it's bad, but it, you know, you can make the decision for yourself if you just want to invest in AirPods. I've never had AirPods before, so I'm not sure how much better the quality is. But then again, for my previous like iPhone, like my iPhone earphones, they keep shocking me, especially when they're going bad. So hopefully this will like not shock me. I don't know. Maybe I'm just like shit at taking care of iPhone earphones. Oh my gosh, that sounds so weird. Anyway guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.